Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Ethereal token, or Ethereal, however you want to pronounce it. I'm going to pronounce it Ethereal because that sounds better. Ticker symbol ETRL. This coin just got a brand new central exchange listing on a very big central exchange starting today, December 17th at 14 hours UTC time. We're going to go over the information on the Etrl coin and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So at Ethereal, we are proud to embark on a groundbreaking journey in the blockchain space. Our project is built on a layer 1 blockchain utilizing the powerful Polkadot substrate framework with a vision to revolutionize token development. We place a strong emphasis on advancing token smart contract development. Now, this token is on the Binance Smart Chain. Right now, they have 1,758 holders. There is 18 decimal places on this token. There is a max total supply of 100 million tokens, and this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing today, December 17th, 14 hours UTC time. This token will be listed on Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with the USDT, go into the trade section and search the ticker symbol ETRL, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So Ethereal is a lightning fast layer 1 blockchain enabling users and developers to build Ethereum virtual machine compatible decentralized apps, games, decentralized finance protocols, and scaling solutions. So Ethereal is a Web3 infrastructure protocol with the mission of being the go-to blockchain solution for enterprises, Web3 gaming, and DeFi. It provides infinite scalability through ZK Snark's optimistic roll-up sidechains, decentralized and automated yield-generating bridges, smart contract auditing and verification systems, and other features. Ethereal also has multiple target markets, including decentralized finance, enterprise solutions, Web3, and big data. Its goal is to offer developers easy access to major scaling and infrastructure solutions while maintaining a solid foundation for growth and security excellence. Ethereal is cross-chain interoperability, decentralized, eco-friendly, open source, and permissionless. The core focus is to scale Web3 adoption and security, foster participation and growth, encourage application development, cultivate a strong developer ecosystem. The key features is number 1 is speed. Ethereal achieves transaction finality in less than 2 seconds on average and provides real-time transactions that aid in enhancing metaverse gaming, data processing, transaction processing, and cross-chain transactions. Their scalability. So Ethereal can process thousands of transactions per second and can scale to hundreds of nodes with the compatibility of scaling to 65,000 transactions per second. There's POS BFT consensus, provides institutional grade security to distributed networks. Ethereal offers absolute finality, which means that transactions can never be reverted like in networks with probabilistically finality. The Ethereal is also leaderless. By removing leaders, security doesn't rely on a small set of actors or node validators. They have smart contract support, so Ethereal is fully compatible with Ethereum. Developers can create and deploy smart contracts as they would on Ethereum using custom smart contracts or their favorite open source protocols. Some of these supported tools are Remix, Truffle, Hardhat, Solidity, and OpenZeppelin. Securing the network, a node validator must stake 10,000 Etrl tokens to be able to operate a node validator, which provides early adopters the benefit of a low barrier of entry of validating transactions and helping secure the Ethereal, as the fair launch price of Ethereal was 75 cents. Then they have governance as well. So the Etrl token will hold a utility of governance voting rights for Etrl token burns throughout the next years from the Treasury smart contract. This is due to helping prevent inflation and keeping a stable and secure price target for securing the Ethereal blockchain. Voting will consist of the following discussion topics. Number 1, grant funding for new projects like DeFi, gaming, security, government, compliance tools, and more. Projects being listed on the Ethereal decentralized exchange. They're going to have their own DEX with projects being listed on there. Etrl burning events, so there'll be scarcity after the burn events happen. And node validator incentives. Etrl transaction emissions are distributed as incentives for securing and scaling the network. These incentives go directly to node validators to encourage competition and improve the health of the Ethereal ecosystem. So on their webpage, you can find a white paper, which is going to have all the information you need about anything, a very complex network here that you could go through, tons of documentation. Ethereals with an S, Ethereals-blockchain.gitbook.io is where you're going to find all the information on their use cases, like their decentralized apps, NFT marketplace, their DeFi wallet guide, the web wallets, command line wallets, support and troubleshooting, staking, how to stake. Then we got grants program. Then we have the tools, goes through all of their tools here, send and receive tokens, transaction signing, the programming model, all this stuff for tutorials is at the bottom, tons of info on there, and this token just got a brand new central exchange listing on Mexc Global as of today. So if you don't have an account, like I said, check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. What do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.